Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a handmade crafts business with Amazon Handmade, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your niche in handmade crafts. Research trending products and unique ideas that resonate with you. Create a business plan outlining your goals, target audience, and marketing strategies. Source high-quality materials that align with your craft. Make a few prototype products to refine your designs. Set a competitive pricing strategy considering materials, labor, and Amazon fees. Register for an Amazon Handmade account by providing the required business information. Complete your seller profile, ensuring it reflects your brand identity. Photograph your products with high-quality images from multiple angles. Write detailed product descriptions highlighting the unique features and benefits. Ensure your listings are optimized for search by using relevant keywords. Launch your shop by activating your product listings on Amazon Handmade. Promote your shop through social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Engage with customers by responding to inquiries promptly. Monitor your shop's performance through Amazon's analytics tools. Adjust your marketing strategies based on customer feedback and sales data. Continuously innovate your product line by introducing new designs regularly. Consider running promotional campaigns or discounts to attract new customers. Build a community around your brand by sharing your crafting process. Network with other crafters and influencers for potential collaborations. Stay compliant with Amazon's policies and guidelines for sellers. Focus on building a reputation for quality and customer satisfaction. Evaluate your progress periodically and adjust your goals as needed. Celebrate your milestones and keep your passion for crafting alive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.